Be careful. Dylan's right there. Brady's behind the curtain. Dylan, is that funny? Brady, are you playing peekaboo back there? Whoop, be careful. Yep. What does your shirt say? Let me see your shirt. Born to be spoiled. Is that right, Dylan? Brady. Is that right? No, don't put your fingers up there. Then Mommy can't see your face. What color is your shirt?
Green.
Green? No. Try another color. What color is your shirt?
Green.
No, it's not green.
Yellow.
It is yellow. Give me 5. Good job. Give me 5, Brady. Brady, can you say yellow?
I know.
Yellow? Good boy. Dylan, can you say yellow? Dylan. Good. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Good boy. Your shirt is yellow.
5.
Oh, you're giving me 5. Okay. Good boy.